if you take a look at the chart here, right up here, this arrow, we have a breakout on the total market cap of crypto. Breakout of this wedge that is forming, that's formed. Let me get this off here. Let me get the fib off there so you can see it. There you go. Look at this beautiful breakout. That is fantastic. Here comes money. This is where FOMO is going to start kicking in. You're going to get a lot of new people in the market. This is when, I hate to say it this way, but this is kind of when we take their money, That's how this game works. I mean, they come in and buy, and we sell to them, That's how it goes. And then next time around, they, maybe they sell theirs to somebody else new. But here it comes, guys. This is the big part of the run here. I don't know how long it's going to last. This here is a weekly chart. Each one of these candles obviously represent a week, and the target for this run, okay, you have a 1618 up here, 3.32, but the target is up higher. Okay, it's up in this zone up here. Let me show you. Take a measurement of the wedge. That should give you the size of your breakout. The longer you're in a pattern, the stronger the breakout. This started back in November of 2021. That top there, and it's just breaking out now. So we'll take a measurement from in here. Nice, reasonable measurement, not something ridiculous. Okay, boom, there you go. Move it up to the breakout. And it could go, look, yeah, see, it could go higher than my target area. I was just trying to be realistic here. And this is up at $4.278 trillion. Trillion. Right now we are at 2.9. So that's another 1.3 some trillion left to come in the market. That's a lot of money, all right? So this is going to be fantastic, guys. This will run up, come back, retest, bounce off of this now as support, and then take off like that. Okay, so hard to say. This could push up. Who knows? Anywhere up through here, but the retest will come back down. That's when we'll have a little bit of a pullback in the market. That'll give you another shot at another run, and then whammo! See you later. This one here. This fifth wave is going to be absolutely incredible, and it's just starting. So wanted to show you that because that is pretty awesome. The crypto bubbles over here, bonk. Oh my god, missed a trade on that last night. That would have been ridiculous. I ended up throwing. I threw 300 at this trade here. Would have turned that into $1,500 to $1,800. Missed it by a hair, man. This thing, it went way higher than our target. But let me show you this chart real quick. You got to see it because it's crazy. We've been killing it over there in Discord. I just got out of there. When you have alt seasons like this, there's Discord down there. That's when everything really starts to run. It looks like Kaspa is moving their way. I guess I need more patience. Oh man! But check this out, guys. Bonk. Because right now is the time for leverage trading, for making money in this market. Look at this. Let me bring this in on an hourly. All right, we had this wedge forming last night. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that target was right there for the take profit. Okay, I got wicked out. Right down here, right down in. Let me show you. Right there, in that one right there. Okay, and then when I went to bed, I was here for the bounce off of that. I apologize because then I thought, well, maybe it's going to go short, and I just stayed out of it. Went to bed. If I would have re-entered there, here was my target. That would have got me to 1,800. It would have it went way past my target there. I mean, if I wouldn't have I would have woke up in the morning. This thing, look at in 1 hour. Look at this candle. 1 hour, it almost would have hit my whole take profit. About an hour or two after I went to bed, and unbelievable, right? But hey, that's the way it goes. We killed it. We're crushing it today over there in Discord. I wanted to show you guys a couple things over there because these guys are awesome. We got a younger gentleman that just joined. Let's see here. Big Mac. He hasn't taken a trade yet. He's new, but learning in here. Right up here. Rizzy, I believe it is. Yeah, I'm getting my trading degree. He's 18 years old. I'm just 18, trying to pay for college. Look what he has done. I gotta show you here. I got $300 on that trade. That was dogs. We just we killed that when it was a winner just a little bit ago. That's at 532. Right now it's 552. So that was a half hour ago. The Kaspa loan that we're looking for, but I gotta show you this because this young man has been unbelievable. There he closed his dogs trade to jump in. 18 years old. Going to college. This is the dogs trade we got. Where's that? I'm sorry, I apologize, but I gotta show you this, guys. Right here. Thanks, Brian. Trying to turn $200 to $10,000. 20% of the way there in less than a week. He's made $2,000 in his first week in a group in the Discord. So congratulations, Rizzy, and welcome, and thank you to all the members. You guys are the best, man. I love being in here with you guys trading. It's nice when we're winning a bunch in a row, isn't it? It's pretty awesome. I don't know why my Discord does that. I can't see it. They see them after a while, but they can. Yeah, unbelievable. So everybody's doing good in there. If you want to join up, guys, it's a level 3 membership. It's only $15 a month. You get we're posting trades like crazy in there. Well, because we have an alt season right now. Okay, some people think you have to set new all-time highs in that. That's not. Alt season is a period in the crypto market when altcoins or alternative cryptos outperform Bitcoin. During an alt season, investors move their capital from Bitcoin to altcoins, which increases trading activity and drives up prices. Now, it also says alt seasons are often marked by a drop in the Bitcoin dominance, which is the percentage of the crypto market cap that belongs to Bitcoin. When the ratio is low, altcoins are increasing in value relative to Bitcoin. And an alt season is when the broader crypto market outperforms Bitcoin for a sustained period. These phases have been brief in the past, but they can lead to major altcoin rallies. Historically, alt seasons have typically kicked off after Bitcoin hits a blue sky breakout and Ethereum trends higher, which we have going on. I mean, Bitcoin has been absolutely crushing it. Unbelievable. This bond coin, man, I'm not going to get over that for a little bit. I need to hit a big one here. Let's take a look here at Bitcoin. Last I seen it was right up around the 88, getting close to our target that we had put up here. Bitcoin dominance. And look at, guys, this thing is Bitcoin dominance. Okay, here's on the 1 hour chart. We're going to put it on a weekly. All right, we called this. We've been calling it for months and months and months. All right, it hit that 618 and ended up rolling, starting to roll back. It started to run back up a little bit there. Look at that. Wow, and the altcoins are still crushing it. We're waiting for this support here, this yellow support line to break. I'm gonna grab my arrow right through here. And then these things are really going to start ripping. Okay, so the big rally, it hasn't even really started yet. That Bitcoin dominance has not broke support yet. And these altcoins are absolutely smashing it. These trades that we've been doing are unbelievable. I mean, we have the total market cap breaking out. Let's see if the total 2, do we got a breakout? Oh, boy. Yes, look at that. Just starting. Just getting a wick out the top of the total 2. That's the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. All right, and look at the target for this, 2.48 trillion. Where are we at now? We're at about 1.15. All right, so we have about 3 times the market cap of the altcoins to go. I mean, this is the target up there. The total 3. Oh yeah, look at this. We got a breakout here too. This thing is breaking out. Clear breakout. That's the total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right. Right now it is at what's that? 767 billion. The target is 1.57 trillion. That's double what it is now. Okay. And these altcoins, they're not all going to rally at the same time. They'll take turns. You'll have runs from each one. Okay. Now you see Tau. 1, 2, 3, 4, 641. Sui. This thing has been killing it. Look at this. This is on a monthly. right? Oh yeah, we had a trade in that too. A target hit. We've been killing it over there. It's awesome. I love it. All right. So anyway, let's go up here and take a look at Popcat. That's another one we've been trading the heck out of. Bitcoin. I apologize. Jeez, I got too many cryptos in here. Jimmy, I got to pull up a chart for that for you to look at this. It's almost right in our box. Awesome. We put it did hit it. It did hit our box. We put a target up here for what was it, 89, and it has hit that. The high for today is, let's pull this up. Days range 89,920. Yep. So we hit our box. All right. Now that came off of the Fibonacci here. You see, that's the extension right up there, 89,000. This at 89.9. Yeah, you know, and we said it could. We put this box up here. You know why? Because if we open this up over here, we have Bitcoin's past all-time high right here. Okay, pull this over. And the 1618 is at 102,000. All right, so we have 80. What are we at? About 90. We have about another $12,000 to go till this hits target up here for Bitcoin, and we'll see. We'll see what happens here. The altcoins are just starting to run, though. I mean, these things. I don't know if we're going to set a bunch of new all-time highs or not. But they are definitely running. BNB, that excuse me, that's one you would expect. BNB, let's see here on a monthly. Yeah, it is going to set a new all-time high. It's just about up there. Let's get this crap up here. I apologize. If you go in on the hourly stuff and you're trading in there, oh yeah, this is starting a fifth wave here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fifth wave. It looks like this thing's probably heading up about $800, 790 something. Yeah, it's heading up that way. It's going to make a new all-time high. You know, you got stuff out there, and then you have other stuff lagging. You know, that's going to take off soon. Beam. I almost hit my first target here for this thing. But you have a lot of stuff out there. Let's take a look at Kaspa now. I apologize, guys. I get out here showing you this. Now, this is what I posted over in Discord. All right, we're getting a lot of people are already in Kaspa, but looking to ride this thing. We have a box down here for an entry and ride this thing up to 17.7. All right, this is a wave 5 coming up on Kaspa. Let me get this off here so you can see this a little bit better. We had a 1, 2, 3, wave 4 pullback. That was an ABC. That's perfect. That's what you want to see for 4, and a fifth wave up. And this fifth wave up is just starting. All right, from the bottom to the target is a let's see, about a 35% move. All right, so on a 10x leverage, you're gonna 3.5x your money. You know, in a 20x leverage, I usually take around 20x. I don't know. Some people say that's high. Some people say that's low. That seems to be good for me. So 20x, I'll 6.5, 7x my money roughly. You know, if I throw 300 on it, I'll make a couple grand on this trade here. So that's how leverage. You know, if you hit them right, you get good entries. You can really make some money. But it looks like Kaspa's heading back up to the 17s, high 17s, roughly with this fifth wave. Excuse me. Let's break this down a little bit here, okay? We got to take a look at a few things. Yeah, guys, a level 3 membership. And I also, if you're looking for a site to trade leverage with no VPN and no KYC, there's a link in the description of the video for the site that I use. And a lot of people in Discord are starting to use it, so we have the same price targets. But click on it, go check it out. It's free to sign up. They have all kinds of bonus stuff for your first deposit and stuff. If you want, I love it. I'm not changing ever. I was on I was on a site there for a while. Kept getting wicked out quite a bit, and then finally they really pushed the KYC thing. Not that I'm trying to avoid any taxes or anything like that, but I don't want anybody in my business. I pay my taxes just like everybody else, and you know, some of my stuff I like to keep private. I report all that, but It's, I don't know. It's just something about, I don't like my information out there. You know, too many of these places get hacked, and then your information's stolen, and identity theft and all that stuff. I just don't like it out there like that. So, but we have a target here for Kaspa that we're looking to get in over in Discord for people that haven't got in yet, and this thing should be running up for a fifth wave. All right, now let's see here. The 4-hour chart is just starting up. The 1 hour is just about to roll over. Yeah, you can see here by the time this video gets out, I'm sure we're going to be hitting this target here. But guys, this is time to really make some cash. You know, just off one trade like this. And this trade, I don't know how long it will take. It could take an hour. It could take 4 days. I have no idea. But if you can take, you know, $100 and turn it into 600 on one trade, and then take that 600 and turn it into 3,000 on the next trade, and take that 3,000, you know, you get what I'm saying, and turn that into 10,000, take that 10,000, turn it into 30,000, and just keep multiplying it. It's unbelievable the money you can stack up from trading. I mean, there's no doubt, especially right now with an alt season. This is the time to do it. So if you don't join the group here, go find some a group on the internet to get in with. You know, people post trades, and you know, I don't know how many have posted over there today, and other people posting. We have a lot of people posting trades in there. It's incredible. I love it. Right, so you got Kaspa here. It looks like, has it broken this resistance yet? I'm trying to get it right on here. I apologize. It's very, very close. Looks like it has. If not, it's close. But anyway, this here is going to end up being a 1, 2, then your third wave. Okay, 3. Maybe it comes up here at the top. Then you're going to have an ABC. You know, possibly or this should all be 1 5 wave. I apologize. You know, there should only be 5 waves in here, so that this could end up being a real ripping trade, just like Bonk was last night. Man, oh man, I'm gonna just kick myself over that one. I knew better. That stop loss, I should have just gave it more room. You know, maybe something like that. But it looks like Kaspa is going to make a really good, nice run here. The daily RSI. Let's take a look. The daily's right at the top, 91 and 93. But this is still wave 5, no question about it. Okay, you got your weekly. Weekly is turning right up, right where we want to see it. Let's get this off here. Okay, right where we want to see that weekly. Let's get this off here too. I apologize. I'm going to be able to see this candle here. Yeah, heading this pullback here and heading up. Let's see here. The monthly. Oh yeah, look, the monthly. Monthly's just turning up, a 6.3 and a 13.2. It's just turning to the upside. All right, let's go back on the daily here. All right, and you can see this is clearly 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave up. Now, where's that going to put us up here? We have an all-time high up here of what, 20 cents. Let's put it on the weekly. I mean, this doesn't even look like a big move when you come out on the weekly, does it? But it is. I mean, that's a 35% move for a wave 5. All right, now if we put a Fibonacci on the top, pull it down, target, look at that. It's going to put us right about on the 702. Unbelievable. And I did not do this before the video, you know. You got my word on that. I don't. All right. This is the first I put the Fibonacci on here on a weekly. For a while, I mean, since last video, but look where that target is for that, right on the 702. So either this is going to hit the 702 and party over ABC to the downside, or it's going to get up to the 702 ABC and head back to the upside. We'll have to see here. Okay, the weekly, we don't want to see that run up too fast, obviously. We're on the wave 5 now, so we're on the last wave of this pattern right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, very clear 5th wave. Okay, the question is, what's going to happen up there? All right, you got this daily RSI rolling over a little bit. That's going to turn back up for sure. It's at a 91.8 and a 93.6. So keep your eye on Kaspa. Let's look at the FYI. I got it pulled up here. I want to see how many new people we got and everything in here. All right, transactions per second, they're down, 4.9, 0.8 blocks per second, down to 73 Kaspa rewards for each block down here. Here's the live transactions going on the network. Mostly all these are on Rusty now. You don't see too many on the other. Now let's take a look at the addresses. This is what I want to see right here. I would think that people out there that know charts, of course, you're going to have a lot of people leverage trading this, I'm sure. If you would, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I appreciate that so much. Definitely helps out. All right, last 7 days, we've added 2 humpbacks. 2 humpbacks. That's 100 million to 1 billion tokens. All right, I'm sure that was the minus. Look, minus 2 whales, but plus 2 humpbacks. All right, so that's probably what happened there. You had these 2 ended up turning into the big guys here. So you have 15 humpbacks, and we've added 2 in the last week. All right, down 1 shark in the last hour. Wow, I don't know. Maybe a good trader out there. Maybe he's waiting for that first pullback and going to re-enter. But that's $1 million to 10 million. This is where you're going to make some serious money. I mean, if you have $1 million in Kaspa, just on spot, you'd be looking at making $350,000, off this one trade. If you have $1 million in Kaspa, so if you have $1,000 in it, you're looking at making $350 off a spot, and off this one run, 35%. All right, so Kaspa's looking good in my opinion, 100%. I mean, unless there's something going on here I don't see. And this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. That is one thing I don't do. Please do your own research on everything before investing. But it looks like a clear 5 waves to me. So keep your eye on Kaspa. We're looking for a pull down here to enter this. I was in that dogs trade. And come join us in Discord, guys. Try it out. If you don't like it after a month, cancel it. You'll get 10 hours worth of videos, over 20 videos to teach you how to start charting and trading, plus a link to the Discord. So if that's something you'd like to check out, please sign up. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you for watching.